Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Maniology and a KB Shimmer nail polish haul. All of these items were bought like Black Friday or right before when the sales started. It just took a really long time to get here. Maniology, I'm going to start with them. Unfortunately these sales are not going on anymore and they always send you free stickers. This time I got Bloom with Grace and a new one that says Mani Explorer, which I love this one. I picked up a few plates. Maniology 536. This one is a Thanksgiving plate, which I'm going to have to wait till the next Thanksgiving to use. But it's got these cute little corn images, all these cute little critter images that I love them. And I love plates that have words on them. So adorable. Plate 537. And this is a polar bear plate with a lot of layering images, and I love that you can place them on the ice, in the water, look like they're diving. This is adorable. Absolutely adorable. Plate 547. This is the seal plate, and it has seals, also ice images, lots of layering, really cute stuff. I love it. And then lastly for Maniology, I picked up the Frosty Friends stamping kit. Frosty Friends stamping starter kit. I did get this on a good deal. This was like 20 something I believe, and I got it for like $12. Here's what the kit comes with. You get a stamping guide, plate 524, and this is the Frosty Friends plate, and I've used this, and I'm going to link that in the description box with the little dinosaurs and stuff. This is adorable. So you get the plate, you get the limited edition ice cube stamper and scraper. You get a stamping polish and a smudge free top coat. There's the scraper. There's the stamper. So stamper and scraper. And here is the polishes. So you literally get everything you need in this kit if you're starting out. This would make a great gift. You get a stamper, the scraper, the polishes, and a plate, all in one kit, and it would make a really good gift for someone you think might be interested in stamping, or to gift to yourself to start stamping. So much fun. And I just want to run through the names of these real quick. The seal plate is called Water Pup, Polar Bear, Give Thanks. And the last plate I just showed was called Frosty Friends, in case you want to go type them in on the website and look for them on Maniology. Next up is KB Shimmer. This is actually a couple different orders. The indie polishes are not cheap. These are regularly $12, $13 a bottle. So this year they did a winter glittery mix. These are the same thing. I got two of these because I placed a couple orders during Black Friday. And so you get bows, snowflakes, Christmas trees. Super duper cute. And it's the KB Shimmer Winter Nail Art Glitter Mix. So this is a free gift. I'm going to start with the fall polishes that I ordered from the recent fall collection. So here's what their boxes look like. I like that you have the peekaboo window there. This one's called For the Pun of It. If I've worn them, I'll stick pictures in. And look at that. In direct light, it'll look kind of red-ish, but it has a green, blue, orange, and gold shift. There might be some other colors peekabooing in there, but isn't it gorgeous? It's so gorgeous. So directly you would see this on your nails. In the shade you see all the other colors. beautiful multi-chrome polish. The other fall one I picked up is called Got It Covered. This one is a Corelli, which is, it's a cream-like polish with multi-dimensional flakies scattered throughout. Okay, there you go. You can kind of see it now. And so you can see the flakies turning. Ooh, it's so stunning. Oh, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Got It Covered. I actually should have showed this first. I didn't even think about it until I just saw its name. This is from last year's winter collection. And I'd been eyeing this for so long, but I finally picked it up. Ice and Easy. Ice and Easy. This is a topper. It's a flaky topper. And it's suspended through a clear base. It's got flakies, it's got glitter, and the pictures of this over black were absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful rainbowy iridescent flakies, so it looks stunning over all kinds of polishes. It's absolutely stunning. It is so packed with flakies. So pretty. These three are from this year's winter collection. Oh, this one's called It's a Flurry. And it's a silver glitter topper with holographic pieces in there as well. And it's supposed to mimic, like, you know, like snowy goodness on your nails. These are really hard to show their true state on camera. They are just gorgeous. It's a glitter topper. Skating By is next. Multi-chrome. This one's like a multi-chrome with like a holographic glitter suspended throughout it. So it's this real light blue shade, and it has like a green shift to it. You can see it there, with like some like peachy orange going on too. Oh yeah, you can see it there. It's absolutely stunning. So you can see the more green. So directly you'll see the holographic in the blue in direct sunlight, and in the shade you're going to see the orange, you're going to see the green. Absolutely stunning. I can't quit looking at them. The last polish I picked up is called Present Tense. And this one I was on the fence about, but after watching polish swatchers and reading the description, like, I had to have this one. I love unique purpley polishes, so I had to have this one. The formula on this, it is so intense. Like, I can't wait to share it. Head on, you're gonna see like the shade here, and in the shade you see a really bright like pink flash, and then like blue and darker purple. It's absolutely stunning. Like that's what you're going to see, and then in the shade you're going to see all these other colors. Super unique to my collection. I just love unique purple polishes and unique ugly green polishes. That is my weakness. I want all the ugly green polishes, and I want all the purple polishes that are just stunningly gorgeous. So stay tuned for Mani's. I can't wait to share them. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional nail art links. Thank you so much for watching.